Alright, like I was saying, I'm gonna make it clear to you if you contact me and I present where your question is. So the pattern for presenting an anchor element or anchor tag, you just say tag the attribute. After the attribute, what is the value of the attribute? Okay, this href is pointing to this link google.com. Like if you search on your browser, it takes you to what? google.com. So that href is meant to present that link. But in real sense, what is going to be displayed on the web page is this content. So after the tag, you have what? Contents. Content is going to be here. This content is what is going to be displayed inside this attribute. Alright, am I saying something somewhere? Yeah. So kindly ignore this. I'm just showing you this as the pattern. Let's compare it to this upper one here. I'm supposed to take away this content so that it doesn't look weird. So you can see the tag here is A. The A tag is called an anchor tag, an anchor element. What does it do? It can include content on your web page, content like images. It can include links that are pointing to another web page on your own web page. So that's the function of anchor tag. It's holding something and it's holding something else. Alright? Is it clear? It can be also used for pictures, videos. Alright? Yeah, that's just the function of this anchor tag. As time goes on, we'll be exploring more and more of what anchor tag. So you can add as many attributes as you want. From this place like this, it follows this particular structure. So this tag is this A presented here. This href is an attribute. There is an attribute, href is an attribute of link. Attribute for link. Alright, we also have img, which is image. Image source is also an attribute for that's pointing to an image. Okay, then you don't have the tag, which is the A, and the closing tag here, which is this particular one here. So in a real sense, this is not going to be presented. What is going to be presented is what is out after the opening tag. Let me see. This is my website. This is my website. So it is what that will be. This is what will be displayed. Okay. Or this is Google website. Let's call it. This is Google website. So let me cut it. Ctrl C X. Let me paste it under this one. Ctrl V. See, it says this is Google website. Oh, it's not supposed to be my Google. It's supposed to be Google website. This is Google website. Okay. If I click on it, if I have data right now, because my system is not connected to the internet. My system is not connected to the internet. You can see on this particular side of my screen. If I should connect my system to the internet and I click on that link, it's going to open, it's going to show me Google homepage on my screen. Google's page is going to be what will be displayed on my screen if connected to the internet. Alright, so we're exploring anchor elements. Okay, you see they are arranged in this pattern. Alright, so with this little knowledge that I've been able to get through, I'm going to give a classwork or an assignment rather. So you do your assignment, submit it to my mail, my phone number. Now I'll be glad to receive it. Then I'll be waiting for your corrections as well to make sure you're fine. So can we try something? Can we try something, man? These are linked lists. Okay, I want to give a very, very, very essential assignments, just an assignment to do. And the assignment is going to look like this. I'm going to be presenting this web file, yeah, for you guys, so that you can go through it yourself. And the assignment says present the list of 5 states in Nigeria or your country, because I'm sure people from other countries are also watching this video. So you can do that for your country. If you're familiar with your country, do that for your country. If you're familiar with Nigeria, cool. You can do that for Nigeria as well. Alright? So what I'm trying to say, I'm saying present a list of 5 states in Nigeria, and then ensure the list points to the state websites. But it looks weird. That in a nutshell, what I'm saying is that you can have something like this: Abia, Adamawa, Akwa Ibom, Anambra, Bauchi. Alright, can you see what I'm saying right here? Can you see what I'm saying right here? So now, I want you to present this in form of a list. Sorry for that movement. The web developer just has to think creative, present it in form of a list. Now it's going to look like a link. So once you click on it, you go to Abia State website link. I'm sure every state should have a website. I don't know if it's still working. Every state should have a website whereby it's going to be more like a community of people, alright? So is that link to the website that would be displayed? Maybe it could be displayed as you just have to think creative about it, bro, and come up with strategies that will help you to achieve that. This has to be a link so that when I click it, it takes me to Abia State's website. I don't know what I'm saying is clear. So I already can enter to learn more. You can learn more about Abia. In other words, what will now be presented? Something like this here, something similar to the content of it. Just say, learn more about Abia. Right? Is it clear? So you present them in form of what? Present them in form of a link. Okay? If you have any special question, you have any question as regards this, you can inform me so that I'll get your questions answered. And I'm waiting for your assignments to be submitted so that I could make a video on it and make sure everyone is fully, okay? Do have a wonderful time.